An animated tree map playing inside Power BI. It sweeps through the years and cross-filters the page as you click. This is using the LLM AI Charts visual that you can find at BizIntelligenceChampions.com and in AppSource. You can add it to Power BI Desktop like any custom visual. You can use Get More Visuals, then import from a file, for example. You can drop in your fields, pick a model, and click Generate. Freemium needs no account. A free trial adds credits to experiment with. And here's where this differs from asking a plain AI for chart code. The engine reads the actual shape of your data and tells you what fits and what won't before anything gets built. And what it builds is a citizen of your report. It's all interactive, cross-filtering to and from the visual. And there's settings for animation too, autoplay, speed, and whether playback filters the whole report frame by frame. The Treemap itself isn't a hand-built feature. It's an output of a domain-tuned pipeline with guardrails and rules that have been built in. That's the intelligence a raw model alone won't give you. Every version is saved and locked. That's the audit trail. You can unlock or clone one, and the code becomes yours. Behind it is ordinary readable D3 with a render function. You can use your own LLM key and restyle it in plain English. Make the timeline mark squares, for example, like I've done here. Changes come back for your review, and you can see differences. So for example here, you can see that my request for square marks has been honored. So the full story and a challenge is in the article that accompanies this video at BizIntelligenceChampions.com. Thanks for watching.